Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Kepware license. First, locate and open the license utility on your host machine. You can find it in the system tray or through the Start menu. We will cover both online and offline activation methods, so you can choose the one that best suits your environment. Make sure you have your unique software activation ID on hand, as this is essential for the process. For online activation, open the license utility and ensure the option to perform licensing operations online when possible is selected. Next, enter your activation ID, which you received with your purchase. You will also need to provide your Kepware username and password. The utility will then communicate directly with the license server to process and activate your license, typically completing the process in just a few moments. If your machine lacks internet access, you will use the offline method. First, within the license utility, generate an activation request file and save it to portable media, like a USB drive. Take this file to a computer with internet access, log into your Kepware account, and upload the request file. The portal will then generate an activation response file for you to download. Finally, bring this response file back to your Kepware machine and import it into the license utility to complete the activation. After completing either activation method, always verify the license status in the license utility. It should display a good status, indicating successful activation. For better license management, use meaningful names for your machine and specify its location during activation. This helps track your licenses across multiple servers. Also, keep your Kepware account information up to date for any future license needs or support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.